Tower. Those are some of the Ruby Amp guitar amplifier that I built. The Ruby Amp is a small amplifier based on the LM386EC and with a JFET preamplifier. The first one that I built is this one. It's from 2010 and it was built using a prototype board. It is a standard Ruby amp without gain. Then I built others. In front there are the three main design that I use. The standard that is the standard amplifier with gain. On the right the Bassman mod, the Ruby amp with Bassman mod with the distortion mode, and on the left side a Hiwatt with distortion mode. The distortion mode just pump up the gain to its maximum value. As you can see, I built those amplifiers using salvaged parts and case, and what I've noticed is that what makes the amplifier sound different is the schematics itself and the mode you put, but also the speaker you are going to use on this amplifier. So now let's hear how does it sound.